In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Asana. Managing your projects efficiently is crucial, and Asana's rules feature can help automate some processes so you can focus on what truly matters. Let's get started. First, you need to open the specific project you're working on within Asana. If you're already a seasoned user, you know that accessing your project is pretty straightforward. Simply navigate to your main dashboard, find your project from the list, and click on it. Once you're in your project, head over to the top right corner of the screen and look for the button labeled Customize. Clicking on this will bring up a menu with all sorts of options to tailor your project environment. This is where you can enhance the way you manage tasks and performance within your team. In the menu that opens up, scroll down until you see the section titled Rules. This section is the gateway to automating processes within your project. You'll want to select this option to move forward with setting up a rule. Now you should see a button that says plus add rule. Click on it. This action opens up two pathways. You can either choose a preset rule from Asana's rule gallery or create a custom rule from scratch. If this is your first time using rules, exploring the gallery is beneficial. It offers popular choices like when a task is completed, move it to done, which are ready to go with just a click. If the gallery doesn't have what you need, then opt for create custom rule. For the custom rule, the first thing you'll want to decide is the trigger. The trigger is essentially what event needs to occur for the rule to activate. For example, you might choose task mark complete as your trigger. Next, determine the corresponding action. This is what happens once the rule is triggered. You have various options here. You could program it to move the task to another section, assign the task to someone new, or even update fields as needed. Each choice depends on your workflow needs. Think through how people interact with tasks and what actions would streamline the process best. After you've set up your trigger and selected the appropriate action, all that's left to do is click Publish Rule. This final step ensures that your carefully programmed automation comes to life. It will automatically run whenever the criteria you defined are met. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on creating a rule in Asana. It's truly a fantastic way to enhance efficiency, permitting your team to work smarter rather than harder. Experiment with different rules, refine them according to team feedback, and watch as they save you time and keep your projects on track.